Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura J9 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up, starting with by pretty much disassembling the whole machine, deep cleaning it inside and removing the brew assembly. We also replaced the showers. We replaced the gasket of the brew assembly, the one that you see right here. And we also deep cleaned the shower screen. Now, there you go, that's the one. So this is the picture of this is the brew assembly, the one that you see right here. And as you can see, let me just focus over here. And as you can see, it was very dirty. There was a lot of coffee built up, moldy coffee as well inside, and that was causing the error 8. It was just jamming. It was just completely packed of coffee, and that was the reason it wasn't really. It was giving the error 8. And now we just deep clean everything inside, make sure everything's really it's moving nice and smoothly. So we're gonna do an espresso shot. We already descaled this machine as well, and we also deep clean the spouts, completely disassemble them and then clean them inside. As per infusion, this is basically the first shot it has done in after the descaling and after all the cleaning. And as you can see, nice heavy stream of espresso, good color, good crema. Now we're gonna be using this side as well. We're gonna be using the cappuccino function. So we're gonna be using part of this. Unfortunately, we do not have the hose, so we won't be able to put some water on it or anything like that. As you can see, the steady stream working perfectly fine. Let me just reduce the amount so it doesn't perfect. And now for the coffee to come out over here. Like I said, it's the first shot, so we've been going through a lot of water of the machine. We're gonna redo it again so you can see it's gonna be much faster. Perfect. Oh, more filter, more beans. We also did clean around the grinder. It was really dirty, especially around the powder container, especially around here. It was really dirty. Forgot the lid. Perfect. Now the machine's gonna detect that thing that we put ground coffee in here, so we're just gonna redo the shot. For infusion. Another shot, and as you can see, excellent water flow and good cream as well. And now once again for the cappuccino side. Wow, I think I need to put more beans. Perfect. Now a cappuccino. steady temperature. And as you can see, steady flow of coffee coming out of the machine. And there you have it, Jura J9 working once again. So thank you for the Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to do this every day. And thanks for watching.